Most hardware startups believe the biggest challenge is designing a great product, but the real bottleneck, which is usually underestimated, is the manufacturing process. From sourcing parts to finding reliable manufacturers and getting realistic cost estimates, this process can be slow, complex, and expensive. It could take several months before your product even hits the market. That's why so many startups stall at the manufacturing stage.
There's a great idea, great prototype, but no real plan for production. Many even make the costly mistake of building before validating demand. IDEEZA brings a solution to the table. With its AI, you don't just design your product. You can map out the supply chain too. You get BOM generation, supplier recommendations, and manufacturing feasibility right from your blueprint. IDEEZA ensures you get that real-life manufacturing confidence. Even better, you can list your design in the IDEEZA marketplace to test real demand before production. That means fewer delays, smarter spend, products that are actually wanted. You don't have to build and hope anymore. With IDEEZA, you can validate and scale with AI on your side. Join our waitlist now.